Pineapple.
No.
Pineapple.
How much is the juice or how much money is the juice?
Yeah.
Tell me the money, what, how much money? $2, $5, $6.
And it's $10.
To take this $10?
Oh, little $1. You $2.
I don't have $10. This is $10.
$10.
This is $10.
Let's go. I don't like it. Papa.
Hello. Have you the food? Yes. How much is the money? $5. It is $5.
कुछ खाने टमाटर सी अरे टमाटर जूस Don't say that.
Okay.
And you're supposed to and you know what? Oh, the now to the section. To the belly. Cow. Yeah. There you go.
How much?
$2.
This is $2.
How many did you do? You're $2 to the best of $2. What should you do? Anna, what is $2? What should you do? What is $2 or $2? $2. Thank you.